animation scheduled, just like React Native API, to enable this flag before updating the node list state. This rendering group. So animation enable animation schedule. Okay, let's create a new node. And save it. Yes. Yes. Remove this node. It also like when you complete it node, it just disappear. Oh, nice. Nice. Hey, what's up? It's Taku here. Welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I've managed to improve the launch speed of the mobile version. So now it launches around 1 second, just 1 second. This was so amazing, and I was so happy with the result. And I've been also working on improving the launch speed of the desktop version. And this week, I finally managed to do that. So let me show you a demo. So here is the new version, and let's double click it. Boom. So it only takes just 1 second to launch and restore the app state. And it can also restore the selection, text selection. So let me show you again. Here. So you can quickly resume working on the last node. And yeah, so with this launch speed, Inkdrop won't block your flow state, which is what I want to achieve, because I've been learning Zen, and so I want to achieve the concept of Zen, or the Zen spirit, to my product. Yeah, so this is very, very important for my product. I hope you like it. So to be honest, for me, the launch speed doesn't so much matter, because I'm running Inkdrop all the time while I'm coding. But this is not the case for every user, and most users launch the app only when they need to take notes. So the launch speed is very important for most users. So this update will be very helpful for them. Yeah. So I can't wait to release it. Well, in this video, I'd like to work on implementing the animation on the note list. So in my old video, I've worked on animating the note list items. Do you remember that? So here is the development build, and it is not, the animation is not enabled at the moment. But in the past video, I managed to animate the specific node list items. So insertion and deletions successfully animated, but the app was so unstable when you enabled animations on every node item. And so this time I came up with a good idea, that is to animate node list items only when the node list got updated. So I mean, so when you got a new node list data, it triggers the animation. But when the user scrolls and load another data, it won't animate. So currently, this database has 281 nodes, and so it loads as you scroll. So let's animate the node list bar. So currently it doesn't have animate presence, so let's add it, something like this. And the mode should be pop layout. Well, so now it should be animate. Yeah, everything. So this is distracting. Yeah, so when it loads another data, so very distracting. Now I'd like to only trigger the node list animations when the new data is available. How can I do that? So this idea is inspired by the React Native's animation API. So that is React Native Layout Animation API. Yeah, this. So this API allows you to trigger animations when you call configure next. Right? UI manager reset layout animations. Yeah. So layout animation lets you trigger animations when you call configure next. So this API schedules an animation to happen on the next layout. So this is a good idea for regular React apps like mine. So instead of always animating these node list items, only animating when necessary would be great. Would work pretty well. Why I think it works well is that the TurnStack virtual only renders the visible items. So re-rendering all the visible items is not doesn't cost so much. So it shouldn't affect the performance. So let's try it. So let's add another state like anim enabled, set anim enables, yeah, and use layout effect. Nope. Say 2 seconds later, set anim enable to true. And only when. So I should list content. Extract this content to list content to like so. Like this. And anim enabled and list content. Anim enabled. Okay. Okay. And list, nope. Yep. Now, so it only enables animations when this flag is enabled. Let's try it. Nope. That's because initial isn't false. Yeah, so re-rendering doesn't trigger the animation, and it doesn't affect the performance, I guess. So it works. Well, I'd like to enable this flag only when it needs to, the node list needs to update. And I have, Inkdrop uses a classic redux for state management. And it has actions and reducers like this. And this state has a simple data like selected node IDs and action target node IDs. And I'd like to add like animation scheduled, just like React Native API. And this is disabled by default. And let's add node list bar schedule animation. Yep. So type, yes, payload isn't necessary. Yes, and export function schedule animation. Right. And okay. So this schedule animation. Yeah. So I need another node list bar unschedule disable animation. Yeah. And disable animation, export function, disable animation. Right. So schedule animation. Please. Yeah. Now we have animation scheduled flag in the node list bar state. Let's use it. So this animation, let's create select animation schedule, node list bar animation schedule, const. Oh, sorry. Yep. Select node type. Okay. And no, it already has node list bar select. Okay. So animation scheduled can be retrieved from this state. Alright. And where is the flag? Set state. Use state. Yeah. This is not necessary. No. So animation schedules when after rendering the node list items with this flag, it should be turned back off. So let's do it. Layout effect. Maybe it's fine. This patch actions node list, but this all right. Nice auto completion. Well, and animation scheduled. So we need to enable this flag before updating the node list state. Then render the current node list items with motion element and update the node list, then disable the flag back. So this logic won't work. This is too early to disable the animation flag. All right, let's put it aside for now. Okay. And okay, so let's try it. So currently the animation is enabled. Why? So this is disabled by default, but why? So animation scheduled. It's false. Yeah, the flag is always false. But interesting. So list content is just list content. Okay, so having motion div, rendering motion div in the notice bar item, when even if it is the animation is not scheduled, it causes this rendering loop. So it causes the app to crash. So it has to disable rendering motion div to be rendered when it is disabled. So I think notice bar item should accept the prop animation enabled boolean, and yeah. So prop check. Yeah. So element is motion div and div, and like so. More maybe just div, and I guess animation enable equal animation scheduled. So when animation is disabled, it doesn't cause animation at all. Right? Yeah. So now we can enable this animation node list bar. So let's create GitHub. Store. Okay. On node change. dispatch actions, not list bar, schedule animation. Maybe it should work. Okay, so let's try it. Yeah, so it's got enabled. No. Oops. Oh. Wait. Okay, let's create a new note. And save it. Yes, so it finally I made it. All right. So it animated. So when you remove this note, it also animated. I got it. Oh yeah. And it doesn't animate when switching the notice view, but when you create a new note, this is animated new note item. Yeah, I did it. I'm so happy. So this trick worked pretty well. So the note list observes the note change, and when it detects the data change, it schedules the animation, and after the animation, it disables the animation again. So by doing that, it only animates when the data changes. So it won't trigger the UI glitch. Yeah, it works pretty well. Cool. So next, I'd like to animate the state change. Like when you complete it, note, it just disappear. Oh, nice. So it also animates the state change. Yeah, this is neat. But I'd like to add a small effect when you complete a task. I guess I'd like to add a nice animation, like you can feel you finished a task. Yeah, this is cool. I love it. I'm so happy I accomplished to do that. Cool. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to release this hack in production. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a productive day. お、見つかったん？どこにあったん？どこにあったん？玄関に置いたん？ありがとう。お仕事してるからね、後でね。じゃあ後でね。はい、ありがとう。気をつけて。ドア閉めてな。